Hello, welcome to the first tutorial of JavaScript Basics. So, before we start learning a JavaScript, I just want to give you guys an overview introduction of what JavaScript is and what you should know where you begin. So, before writing a JavaScript, you should know a basic overview of HTML or XHTML. Now, JavaScript is a programming language which you put right to your website and to make your website a more interactive and dynamic. Now, in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to write a basic script and to make our websites more interactive. So, if you are a beginner or new to this JavaScript, then you're in the right place to learn a very basic techniques. So, our editor platform for JavaScripting is NetBeans IDE 7.2.1. Let's get started. I will show you one of the basic examples of JavaScript. Here we go. Var stands for variable x is equals to 5, another one is variable y is equals to 6, and lastly variable z is equals to x plus y. Now, much like algebra, in algebra we use letters like x to hold values like y. From the expression z is equals to x plus y, we can calculate that the value of z is equals to 11. 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. These JavaScript letters are called variables. Now, think of the variables as containers for storing data, because as with algebra, JavaScript variables can be used to hold values. So, variables names can begin with a letter. Variable names can also begin with $sign and underscore, but we will not use it. So, to print this out, we will write document dot write x plus next line document that write y plus next line, and lastly document that write z plus the next line. Well, basically this code here will formally show the output. So Ctrl S to save, then drag your index.html to your browser, and the result is voila. So the value of x is 5, the value of y is 6, and the value of z, which is x plus y, is equal to 11. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So that's it. That's one of the examples, a very basic example of JavaScripting. So stay tuned for another video tutorial. So let's begin. Drag your index.html page right to your editor platform, which is the NetBeans IDE 7.2.1. Okay, let's begin. So we'll put the script inside the head. So script now we will make a function. Let's say function name, which is a sample, open and close parentheses. Now don't forget the open and close curly braces. Okay, let's make a alert dialog. So alert, open and close parentheses, quotation mark, let's say hello world. Now then, we will make a button. We'll put the button inside the body. So button on click is equals to, now then, we will call on the function which is function name sample. We will put the function in here. So function name sample, open and close parentheses, then button name click me, then close the button. Okay, now as you can see over here, this is already a function with a function name sample. Now we will see what is the output of it. Okay, so Control S to save, and let's see the index web page. Okay, F5 to refresh. Voila! So here it is. This is what we make the button, and the button name click me. So the dialog box will tell us a hello world. So okay, let's click it. Voila! Simple as that. Very basic. So that's one of the very basic JavaScript functionalities. So stay tuned for another tutorial. Hello, my name is Suizo and my partner here, Marimon. So our last tutorial in JavaScript basic would be a confirm box. So okay, let's get started. In JavaScript, there are three kinds of pop boxes. That would be alert box, confirm box, and prompt box. So we tend to use confirm box. So we will make an example, a very basic example. Confirm box is often used if you want the user to verify or accept something. So okay, so there's no time to lose, so we will make a very basic examples of confirm box. So let's get started. So if you already drag the index.html right to your editor platform, so we're ready to go. So okay, let's get started. So under the body we will make a paragraph. We will, for instance, click the button to display a confirm dialog box, then close the paragraph. Now we will make a button. So button on click is equals to, so we don't have any function yet, so just leave it blank. Then button name click me, then close the button. Now we will put identification to paragraph. So what we're gonna do is p, then put an ID to it, ID name which is demo, then close the paragraph. Okay, now we will make a function name sample, open and close parentheses, then open and close curly braces. So our function name is sample. We have already function, so we will put here function name which is sample. Now we will make a variable x, another is variable r is equal to confirm, open and close parenthesis with the quotation mark of press the button. Now we will make a statement. So if r is equals to true, then the output is most probably x is equal to the quotation mark of you press OK, then else would be x is equal to the quotation mark of you press cancel. Now we already have a statement here, so what we're gonna do is we will write a document that get element by ID. So this ID name, if you remember demo, then dot a inner HTML element is equals to x. So we already have a function named sample, then a statement over here, and which is if r is equals to true, if you press the button OK, it will print the you pressed OK. Then else, whenever you press cancel, so it would probably print you press cancel. Now Control S and let's view our web page. Okay, this is one of the basic example of JavaScript, so let's view the JavaScript. So F5 to refresh. Now the paragraph, click the button to display a confirm dialog box. So this is a paragraph, and this is the button named click me. So whenever we click this, a JavaScript confirmed box will appear. So press the button. So if we press the button OK, it will print you pressed OK. So that's it. So click me. So whenever we press the button cancel o cancelahin, it will print you press cancel. So that's one of the basic of confirm dialog box in JavaScript. So hope you enjoy our tutorial, and that's it for today. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.